welcome to the Mountain View. We're going to be working on putting these porch posts up that we made today. We've got some help with us. We've got Ian over here. Chris from Kentucky Woodsman is over here. We're going to get these cut and try to replace the porch posts, make this look more like it did originally. Stay with us.
A few months back, we found the old porch posts for the second floor in the back of the house. They were built into a wall, so we recreated those. They were chamfered posts, 6x6, and now we're going to install those posts on the front porch. We're just going to do 3 today, and then we'll move on and do the upstairs later. We have to do those and the banisters all at the same time, so we don't leave a second floor porch with no railing on it.
After these are up, I'm going to fill these spots like this with epoxy, so this looks smooth and so there's no cracks or anything in it. That's the bad thing about using pressure-treated lumber, is you end up with a lot of knot holes and a lot of scrap or a lot of cracks. So we'll fill those up. Once they're painted, you won't be able to tell the difference. Okay, I've got the first point marked out for the post, and I'm going to flip the camera around and show you how we do that. Okay, we measured the length of this porch, and our posts have to be 102 inches apart. So we've got that marked with a center line. It goes all the way down through here. The posts are 5.5 inches wide, so 2 3/4 inches on each side of that marks the edge of the post. So now this mark is the edge. We dropped a plumb bob from the top of the porch down to this, so that'll give us the level edge of the post. And then right here is 2 1/4 inches to this, or 2 3/4 inches to this side of the center line, 2 3/4 inches to this side of the center line, and that makes up for the 5.5 inch post that goes in this spot. Now from this line here, which is the edge of the post, we measure in 2 3/4 inches to the center, and this is where we drill the hole for the mount. We'll pour a little water in this while we drill. Keep the bit cool and keep it warm. Screw this to the top when we put it in. So I'm going to drill some holes and countersink those. These will get a dowel with some glue on them, and I'll saw that off flush when I'm done. First you take this spade bit and drill a little hole in at an angle, and then I'll drill a smaller hole inside for the screw. Porch there, and use that as a brace. Put one foot there and one foot the other side, and it'll be easy to reach. Easier to reach. This way. Okay, we are done for the day, and you can see behind me there we finished the porch posts on the front on the first floor. Haven't done the ones on top yet, but we will get to those. Right now I think this looks much more in character with the building. Okay, it's taken most of the day, but we have these posts set now, and as you can see here, we've got them an inch from the ground, or an inch from the concrete, which is required by code because of water damage. So those are there. These are the chamfered posts that we made. And we've got them all up. They will have some gingerbread across the top, and then we'll be done. Thanks for joining us again here on the Mountain View.